Catch a case.
Can I have the spicy chicken combo with the lemonade? Number 1 with a Coke.
Yes. This is what we do in the vlog, you know what I'm saying? This is what we're doing. Orlando.
Millennial. We'll be going hard as a millennial. Yeah. 28 grams in the mind. 28 grams, that's the O. That smoke with your hoe. Then I smash your hoe. Now I'm smashing.
What's up? We just landed. Me and Eddie C. We pulled up to Millennium Mall. We said we might as well take you guys and show you Orlando while you with us. But yeah, man, what you want, Eddie?
Shit, I'm out here trying to goddamn go to Macy's right quick.
Macy's. Jesus. They're probably gonna look at us and be like, "Who the fuck are these guys just out here walking by our car?"
You know what I'm saying? Like,
New car vlog. We actually didn't get that bit.
car vlog.
You wanna do that bit?
Bow.
Be like, fuck it.
Fuck it. You want to?
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
So when y'all see this, don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Don't be mad.
It's
Just
props.
fuck with us. You know what I'm saying?
Props.
Well, all right. So just get by the. Now just like go, put your hands up like new car vlog.
Now the whole city knows you. I hope this really
Yes, once again, me and Eddie C are out here at Walmart. See, I told y'all I go to Walmart all the time. Hey, Eddie C, tell them what it is.
Oh man, you already know, back at Walmart, I again try to get something to eat because you know we're on a budget. So
You already know what's popping. Out here,
you already know where you
trying to
get the
make
cheap stuff at Walmart.
best prices. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you guys. We back in Walmart. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Me and Eddie C. I ain't even know Valentine's Day was coming up like that. Damn. I don't got no Valentine. Look, cause they putting all the Valentine's Day shit. They going crazy though. It's like every aisle. Everybody gonna have a Valentine except for me.
I see some goddamn Doritos.
Some Doritos.
Yeah. Soup section.
Soup section. Finna go crazy with the noodles. You already know. We don't come from anything. We gotta make sure. Hopefully this time he don't drop them. You know what I'm saying? He don't drop them everywhere. I think that's the same packet that you dropped before. You know what I'm saying?
Yakisoba. What a yakisoba at, man?
What a what?
Yakisoba.
The what? The yakisoba.
Yakisoba, man.
What yakisoba? What you talking about?
That's a yakisoba.
Bow, wall, vlog. Bow, bow, bow. Draco. We the only ones out here on this vlog and this type. He dropped that. cannot believe you really just dropped that. And I honestly caught that on tape. I really caught that on tape. Look at me. That is crazy. That is the second time in a row. I cannot believe that just happened.
What you doing, man?
Bruh, you got a curse, bruh. This is the exact same aisle that we were in. This is the exact same area. I think you just got bad luck in this area. I can't believe that these donuts are 58 cents.
Wow, that shit is good.
64 cents. You think I should caught one of them? Which one? I'm probably finna just, yeah. I'm finna probably just end up copping one of these bad boys. I always wanted to come in the dairy aisle. I always wanted to come in the dairy aisle, you know what I'm saying? Eminem's going crazy. The Eminem!
Then you on that munchie world.
The munchie world. You got the munchies. Got a new kind.
You tripping,
Is it
Will.
with marshmallows?
And it's cheaper than this is giant size.
That's
This
giant.
bigger.
Giant? What you need a giant
It's
size?
bigger.
I thought it was fan. Water. Especially a bitch with the water. We just got out of Walmart. We finna go back to the studio. I mean, we're finna make some moves. We really finna do it, you know what I'm saying? No faking, no playing. Back
Can I
to
get some ketchup,
6.
please? Good. Thank you. This is the hamburger, and this is the chicken.
Artificial boca a boca, si no, no.
Así no muere,
Alright, you guys, we got some Wendy's. We probably finna go back to Bro House, go in the get in the studio. Cause a cop came up and started asking us about the camera and talking about just make sure we kind of don't record or get caught recording. So we just dipped out on that. We ain't go there. What's up, YouTube? We back at the studio once again. We just over and over vlogging. We can't stop. It's never gonna stop. Tell them what it is.
You already know, back at the stew. Cook up that stew. You already
Yup. But we're gonna have some dope vlogs for you guys. We're gonna really get some good content. We finna go out and do a bunch of shit. So keep and stay tuned. Don't leave. We're coming back tomorrow. Well, vlog, we gotta keep ourselves hydrated. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, they see us finna work again in the studio. Yup. Again, because we're really making a mixtape. And we're really not kidding when we say this, you know what I'm saying? So, once again.
And I know what's better for you.
just mute it and bring it back.
And I know what's better for you.
Mute that one and bring it back.
And I know what's better for you.
Mute that one and bring it back.
And I know what's better for you.
Alright. One of those
when I was skipping in school. They told me you wouldn't be shit, so I ain't got shit to lose. Nobody gon' save you. From where you from, you gotta get out the hole you wanna. Get on the road if you gotta. Now I gotta do what I gotta do to make it through. And that's one for me, that's one for you. Cause these haters wanna see me lose.
Me and Eddie C in the plug. Me and Eddie C the plug. Going hard as fuck. Alright, vlog. I'm out here once again. Guess where we're at? I bet you can't guess. I bet. Oh my goodness. We're at 7-Eleven. I'm gonna make this 7-Eleven popular. I'm putting money on it. It's like the regular, you know what I'm saying? It's really the regular. I don't know if I want to get something to drink or if I want to get something or what. I always come. I was gonna start eating meat right here because they're honestly not good for you, especially your teeth. Those are looking so good.
Oh, you're the guy that's vlogging.
I'm a vlogger, yeah, on YouTube. On YouTube. Look me up, you know what I'm saying? But I might just get some of the chicken. Some of these hot ones. You're not on the vlog, trust me. But one of these right here, I think the hot ones, these middle ones, I can't tell you what they are. She can't hear me? I'm a point, I'm a director, you know what I mean? How many can you get for like $3?
Like 3,
Is there like an amount for?
you can get like, yeah, 5, 4,
Alright, so 4 of them for $4.25? Alright, cool. I'll just be on the vlog. Shit, well tell the vlog what it is.
Everybody in my family got like 11. And you're just so happy that like they were all different, so I feel like they kind of talked about it for it. So then now I have like 11.
Well, it's where the money at around here, you know what I'm saying? Folks foreign, you feel me? Alright, but yeah. That's what happened when you vlog inside of 7-Eleven, you know what I'm saying? Out of 7-Eleven, vlogging once again. You know exactly what time it is, man. It's young Arthur, EddyCdaPlug out here. I know you seen us in the last vlog in this one, but I might just have to end it again. You think I should end it again?
Okay.
You think I should end it right here?
Okay.
You think I should?
It is what it is, man.
You know what? I'm about to end the vlog once again in the same spot at 7-Eleven, because we always come here. This is our 7-Eleven adventures. And tell them what it is, Eddie C.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You already know. And this is from our new channel. rappers that blog. Bow, bow, bow. Trickle, 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 trickle.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. 28 grams on the blunt. 28 grams, that's the O. I smoke with your hoe. I smoke with your hoe. 28 grams in the blunt. 28 grams, that's the O. I smoke with your hoe.